Before you spend your hard-earned money on ZarinoOriginals.com, you need to hear this. Zarino-Originals.com presents itself as a brand offering handcrafted jewelry and meaningful fashion accessories, highlighting high-quality craftsmanship and elegant designs that are supposed to feel personal and unique. On the surface, the website looks clean and modern, with polished product listings and attractive descriptions that focus on symbolism and emotional value. However, when examining the domain registration details, there are noticeable gaps that may raise questions for cautious shoppers, especially those who prefer transparent business backgrounds. There is limited information about the founder, and no verified founder images or detailed brand story that would normally help build trust and authenticity. The product photos appear professionally done, but some images give the impression of stock-style visuals rather than clearly documented original workshop photography, which makes it difficult to confirm whether the items are truly handcrafted by this brand. The pricing strategy includes visible discounts, yet the markdown structure feels more promotional than exclusive, which is something experienced online buyers often evaluate carefully. Customer reviews are also limited or not independently verifiable, making it challenging to gauge real buyer experiences. Overall, ZarinoOriginals.com does not present clear evidence of being a scam, but it also does not provide enough transparency to confidently label it as fully established or highly reputable. If you're considering purchasing, it may be wise to start small, use secure payment methods, and conduct your own additional checks before committing to larger orders.